Have you ever been on a Zoom call where your webcam makes you look blurry, dark, or out of sync? Today, I'm going to be showing you a webcam that fixes all of that. The EMEET Piko webcam. This thing has dual 4K cameras, AI tracking, and next level audio. But is it worth it? Stick around because I'll show you exactly why this might be your last webcam you'll ever need. This is what your coworkers see when you use a regular webcam, and this is what they see with the EMEET Piko Plus. Big difference, right? That's because this isn't just 4K. It also uses AI enhancement to sharpen details and balance lighting automatically. Even if your room has bad lighting, the Piko Plus automatically corrects it. No more looking like a shadowy figure. But what really makes this webcam special is its dual camera system. Let me show you. Most webcams lock you into one boring angle, but the Piko Plus has two 4K cameras, so you can seamlessly switch perspectives, whether you're presenting, teaching, or live streaming. And if you move around a lot, wait until you see the next feature. It follows you automatically. Ever had to manually adjust your webcam every time you shift in your chair? Not anymore. The EMEET Piko Plus tracks your movement, keeping you perfectly framed and in focus at all times. Imagine how useful this is for work calls, content creation, or even fitness streaming. What would you use it for? Let me know in the comments. So you can see how the camera focuses on the paper. You see how every time that I move it, it auto focuses it. So this makes it a lot easier when you're showcasing products or even when you're doing videos for your content. Good video is useless without good audio. Listen to the difference between my laptop mic and the Piko Plus built-in noise reduction mic. And the best part, you don't need any software. This works right out the box. So this is how clear the audio sounds using the EMEET Piko Plus webcam. So nice and crisp and clear. This is how the audio sounds with my laptop webcam. So you can hear that it's not as clear as the EMEET Piko Plus webcam. So this is how the Piko Plus looks. It's nice and small compared to your normal webcams. So this is easy to bring with you anywhere and just hook it up to any laptop or computer that you might be using. Here is the dual 4K lenses that it has. On the bottom is a screw, so you could screw it into the stand that it comes with. On the back here is where you plug it in with the USB-C. It even comes with this magnetic privacy shield, so when you're not using it, it sticks to the back. When you're gonna use it, all you do is put it to the front. It looks very cool. So on top, it has 3 different microphones, and they have 3 sound modes for different uses also. So this is a great feature when you're using this webcam. Comes with the USB-C plug. So a great feature is that this has this adapter that you can either plug it in with the USB or with the USB-C. And then here it comes with a stand. So you could position this. So all you gotta do is screw this in. And then you adjust this based on how you want it. So it stands up perfectly, and you can use this for multiple uses. So let me show you how easy it is to set this up, since this is plug and play. No more complicated drivers, no weird setup. Just plug it in and you're good to go. The Piko Plus works with everything. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, streaming, software, you name it. So this is how the EMEET software looks. You could have the AI set up the optimization for you, or you could set up the audio mode for live mode, noise reduction, or just the one original. The field of view, if it's other than 4K resolution, then you could change this setting. Here's your preview window. This is where you change your quality of the video, and then it has different filters that you can adjust to default, bright, if you want to highlight on the blues, cold, or even vivid. And then same as the audio, you could change the audio, and then you could do different effects on here. Anti-flicker 50 to 60. And then if you want the AI assistant, you can select different areas that you wanted to focus on. If you wanted just to set it in the middle, or if you wanted just to lock on to the human face. And then here's your autofocus. You turn that off. You could change your focus depending on where you're sitting, so you can see how I'm bringing it out. Then once you put on auto, then it finds it automatically. Another great feature with this camera is that you're able to record it and view either with landscape mode or portrait mode. All you have to do is just click the buttons right here, and then the camera itself, you could turn it and then it'll turn sideways, and now it's on portrait mode. So it's a great feature to have this. All right, let's break it down. The EMEET Piko Plus webcam gives you 4K AI enhanced video, dual camera flexibility, auto framing that follows you, crystal clear built-in microphone, and easy plug-and-play setup. If you want a webcam that actually makes you look professional, this is a no-brainer. The link is in the description, so check it out and upgrade your setup today. And before you go, let me know, what's your biggest webcam frustration? Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.